How to shop smart on Nigerian, a complete story guide. Let's be real. Let's talk shopping. Let's talk Nigerian, that's what's trending. You're craving authentic egusi for your soup, real puna yam that tastes like home, or that specific chin chin you loved as a kid. You go online, hopeful, land on a new website, and you're immediately lost. It's frustrating. You have no idea which products are good, which sellers are legit, or even how to find what you want in a sea of choices. That all ends today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to master nigerian.com from start to finish. We'll cover everything from finding the best products to shopping from trusted vendors. You're about to become a pro shopper who gets those essential tastes of home delivered right to your door. Let's get into it. Welcome. So, what exactly is Nigerian? It's way more than just another online grocery store. Think of it as a bridge connecting you back to your roots. Nigerian's mission is to reconnect diaspora communities in the US, the UK, or elsewhere with the authentic flavors and traditions of Africa and the Caribbean. It's a multi-vendor platform, which means it links you directly with trusted rural producers and vendors, ensuring everything you get is the real deal. My goal here is simple: to help you shop on this platform with total confidence. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to find the best African and Caribbean products, pick out vendors you can trust, and manage your orders without a single worry. You'll go from a first-time visitor to a Nigerian pro. Let's get started, setting up for success. First things first, let's get you set up with an account. You can browse without one, but creating an account is the secret to a smooth shopping trip. It lets you track orders, save your info, and build relationships with vendors. Head over to the nigerian.com homepage. In the top corner, you'll see login. Click login and follow prompts. The process is super straightforward. Just enter your name, email, phone number, and mailing address, then create a strong password. Hit submit, and boom, you're officially part of the community. There's no waiting. Now that you're in, let's do a quick tour of the homepage. It might look a little busy, but it's all laid out logically. At the very top, you've got your command center, the main navigation bar with links like home, shop, products, blog, and custom order for bulk ordering. As you scroll, you'll see banners flashing special offers or new arrivals, maybe for fresh veggies or kitchenware. These are awesome for spotting deals. Below that is the heart of the site, the product categories and featured items. This is where the real fun begins. The layout is designed to help you find your staples and discover new favorites, all from the comfort of home. Keep in mind, Nigerian is not just about food and produce. There are a variety of products and services for sale. Browsing to find what you want or what you need. Okay, this is where the magic happens. Because Nigerian is a multi-vendor marketplace, you get a crazy good variety of products from different sellers. It's a huge plus, but it can also feel like a lot to take in. Let's break down how to find exactly what you're looking for. Your best friend on this site is the search bar at the top of the page. Here's a pro tip: be specific. Instead of just typing oil, try pure palm oil or king's oil. Instead of flour, search for cassava fufu or bean flour. The more detail you give, the faster you'll find it. Not sure what you want? Or just in the mood to explore? Just scroll down the page. Browsing by category is perfect for that, too. Nigerian has categories tailored to our specific needs, like rice, other grains, and beans, meat, fish and snails, and, of course, spices and seasonings, which you'll find under condiments. Let's say you're making egusi soup. You can jump to the meat, fish and snails category for your stockfish, pop over to fruits and dry vegetables for your hand-peeled egusi, and then grab your palm oil from oil and sauces. It's like a virtual trip to the market. Now for the real game changer, filters. After you search for something or click a category, you'll see filtering options on the side of the page. This is how you cut through the noise. You can filter by price to stay on budget or by brand if you've got a favorite. Most importantly, you can sometimes filter by vendor, which helps you start to recognize sellers who are experts in certain things. Using filters is the best way to turn this huge marketplace into your own personal store. Evaluating products and vendors, the art of shopping with trust. So, you found a product you're interested in. Don't just click buy yet. The next step is a little detective work to make sure you get what you're expecting. When you click on a product view icon, you land on its dedicated page with all the details. First, check out the photos. Good vendors show multiple, clear images of the product. The first detailed item immediately tells you the product's physical location or origin, by city or country. This is necessary for a multi-country, multi-vendor platform like Nigerian. Ensuring that the product you're buying is already available in your country or nearby helps reduce delivery delays. Then, read the description carefully. This is where you find out about weight and ingredients. Are you getting 1 pound of ground ochi or a 50 kilograms bag of rice? The description will tell you more. Generally, the platform converts all weights to the nearest pound, EB. But the most important info here is about the seller. Remember, you're buying from individual entrepreneurs, not a giant warehouse. On the product page, you'll see the vendor's or seller's account number. Note that in your communications about that specific product. This is super helpful. If you like their egusi, you might be able to get all your other soup ingredients from them and bundle your shopping. This storefront is also where you check their credibility. Scroll down to the review tab. This is where you should look for ratings and reviews. Just like any other marketplace, customer feedback is everything. See what other people are saying about their quality, shipping speed, and service. A vendor with high ratings and good comments is one you can trust. Add the product to your cart by clicking Add to Cart. Or add the product to your wish list by clicking on the club symbol next to Add to Cart. Feeling more confident already? If this is helping, do me a favor and like this video. It really helps the channel and lets me know I'm on the right track. Wholesale ordering or custom ordering. The procedures we discussed earlier apply only to regular retail orders. Wholesale purchases follow a different, multi-step process. To place a wholesale order, click on the Custom Order menu at the top of the website, located right next to a blog. Search for the item you want to buy in bulk. Complete the form that appears. This form allows you to negotiate directly with the seller by submitting your proposed unit price. Submit your offer and wait. The admin team will facilitate the behind-the-scenes negotiations until both you and the seller reach an agreement on price and quantity. Once an agreement is reached, customer care will work with you to arrange the logistics for delivering the goods to your chosen location. Now the checkout process, securing your goods. Alright, your cart is full of great finds from vendors you trust. Now it's time to check out. The entire process on Nigerian is designed to be simple, secure, and stress-free. Complete these steps. 1. Review your cart. Click the shopping cart icon to see everything you've added. Take a moment to double-check your items. Did you really want the homemade Bofrot Puff Puff mix? Did you intentionally order 2 bottles of Morino bitters, or was that a late-night misclick? This is your chance to adjust quantities or remove anything you no longer want. 2. Enter delivery information. Once your cart looks right, proceed to checkout. One of the powerful features of Nigerian is the ability to send groceries and products not only to your home in the US or UK, but also securely to family back home. This is a core part of our mission to connect people across borders. Whether the order is going to your apartment in Michigan or a family home overseas, enter the delivery address carefully here. 3. Choose your payment method. Next is the payment section. You can pay using your credit or debit card, and Nigerian uses secure, industry-standard payment processing to protect your financial information. You also have additional options, including PayPal, log in and pay directly. PayPal as a card processor, use it to pay with your major credit cards or ATM card. Direct credit/debit card payment. Nigerian.com is very generous with payment methods. You can pay with Paystack. Paystack offers many features that allow you to pay in Naira via money transfer, debit, and credit cards, etc. You can also pay with Opay and other direct bank transfers. Choose the option that works best for you. 4. Final review and complete order. Give everything one last look. When you're satisfied, click Complete Order. That's it, you're done. You'll receive a confirmation email with a full summary of your order. Once the purchase is complete, you can still check on your order. The shopping experience isn't over just because you've paid. A huge part of stress-free online shopping is knowing what's happening with your order. To check on it, log into your Nigerian account and head to the My Account section. You'll find your order history there, an archive of every purchase you've made. Click on the latest order to see its status. At first, it will probably say, processing. That just means the vendor has your order and is getting it ready. Once they ship it, the status will update to shipped, and you should get tracking information. Nigerian helps its vendors with logistics, which makes the whole process smoother for everyone. You can use the tracking number on the courier's website to see exactly where your package is and when it's expected to arrive. It takes all the guesswork out of waiting and lets you plan for the moment your taste of home arrives. Now that you've seen the inner workings of Nigerian.com, I hope you feel even more confident about this breakthrough platform. Nigerian is not just a website, it is a transformational tool that will reshape how business is done in our rural communities. It is positioned to become the go-to marketplace for rural farmers, producers, and service providers who have long been disconnected from larger economic opportunities. What excites us most is the impact this ecosystem will have on people. Nigerian will open doors for unemployed rural youth, empower new entrepreneurs, and create meaningful jobs across the value chain. As the rural e-commerce ecosystem grows, it will continue to lift communities, expand local businesses, and strengthen the economic backbone of our rural areas. We invite you to join this movement in any way you can, as a partner, supporter, vendor, or customer. Every contribution, no matter how small, helps advance the well-being and progress of our people. Thank you for watching and listening.